Hello friends, today we are going to discuss about Northeastern Region Urban Development Program, which is funded by Asian Development Bank. This is an ambitious program for developing 5 capital cities of the Northeastern region, which are cut away from the mainland of the country. The Northeast Region Urban Development Programs started with the funding from the Ministry of Urban Development, Government of India, and the financial assistance from the Asian Development Bank. It covers capital cities of 5 northeastern states: Agartala, Aizawl, Gangtok, Kohima. And this program is very ambitious program because this program ensures that the quality of life in the cities improve and better infrastructures for better living condition arises. The main focus of this program is to improve the existing water supply network and augment the water supply network in the capital cities so that it can have 24/7 water supply system. Second focus of this program is sewerage and sanitation. The government tried to provide sewerage network throughout the city so that better health conditions can be ensured. Third component of this scheme is solid waste management. Managing solid waste of any city is a major problem in Indian towns, and this problem is visible in hilly towns because they don't have a proper disposal system. In addition, project management and capacity development of the ULB through institutional and financial reforms has also been included in these programs. Further, the Asian Development Bank contribution is 70% of the cost, which is also beared by Government of India is in the form of loan. The projects under the NERUDP scheme have been spread over 3 tranches, that is 3 phases, and are under execution project cities since 2009. This project have been planned for completion by June 2019. This is program which has been ongoing, and within next 1 year this program will be completed. So what are the coverage under this scheme? Capital cities of 5 northeastern state with Agartala, which is the capital of Tripura, Aizawl, Gangtok, Shillong and Kohima. These are the 5 capital towns of the northeastern region which will be covered under this scheme. What are the sectors that will be covered under this scheme? So under this scheme, 3 sectors: water supply, sewerage and sanitation, and solid waste management will be covered under this scheme. Further, this scheme also tries to ensure that there is a cost which is very much beared by the Government of India. The total estimated cost of 1371 crore will be provided for the upgradation of the infrastructure. Financing plan: 70% assistance by Asian Development Bank as a loan and 30% by Government of India. So states don't have to spend any money, they just have to implement the program, and the state will be provided this in the form of grant for the development. What is the policy or the plan for implementation? So this program will be implemented through 3 tranches. One will be 2009 to 15, 2010 to 13 and 2012 to 15. So there will be different amount provided, like in first phase 205 crore, then other amount will be provided. What is the approval agency? So this program was approved by the Cabinet Committee on Infrastructure in February 2009. This is a leading committee, parliamentary committee for the approval of major infrastructure projects in India. The major objective of the program is to improve the quality of life of urban residents, to enhance productivity through improvement in infrastructure and services, to build capacity and enhance urban governance, finance and service delivery in the capital towns of the northeastern region. Under these programs, they sought to have some reforms. The scheme includes reforms like strengthening municipal bodies, restructuring of the municipal body, migration to annual accrual based double entry accounting system, and computerization and rationalization of the planning activity.